Hi friends, I am Ankit and today I will talk on how to use Flash Fill tool in Excel. Friends, Flash Fill automatically fills your data when it seems a pattern. So this tool is very helpful to do lot of different works in Excel and can save lot of time. So as you can see on your screen, there is a list. In this list, suppose I want to separate name and surname. First I will type the name of the first cell. Now to separate the names of the other cells, I will simply use Flash Fill tool. For that I need to click on Data tab and here you will find the Flash Fill tool. Now friends, as you can see, it has separated all the names. Now for surnames, again you need to type the surname of a single cell. Now again you need to use Flash Fill tool, or you can use the shortcut of Flash Fill tool by pressing Ctrl E. Now friends, as you can see, we have very easily separated names and surname of the complete list. So like this you can very easily use this tool for many different works. Now suppose I want to combine row A, row B, row C and row D and want to separate them with comma. Now I have typed the exact text of first row and use Flash Fill tool. Basically Flash Fill follow the same pattern to the complete list. I will press the shortcut key Ctrl E. Now friends, as you can see, it has given me the result of complete list. So friends, like this you can very easily use Flash Fill tool for many different works and can save you a lot of time. I hope you find this video useful. If you like the video, then press on like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press on bell icon to receive email notifications free of cost.